Welcome to Time Mechanic, where we uncover the fascinating stories behind the objects we use every day. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving into something a little louder than usual: the chainsaw. Have you ever wondered how this powerful tool is made? A big thank you to our viewer John for suggesting this topic. It's a great one. Let's explore the journey of a chainsaw from raw materials to the roaring machine we know today. How did the chainsaw become such an essential part of our lives? So, what exactly is a chainsaw? At its core, it's a portable, mechanical saw that uses a set of sharp teeth attached to a rotating chain to slice through wood and sometimes other materials. Picture it like a supercharged handsaw with an engine giving it that extra oomph. Chainsaws are tough, reliable, and incredibly handy. You'll see them used for felling trees in forests, trimming branches in your backyard, cutting firewood, and even carving amazing wooden sculptures. It's a tool that's as versatile as it is powerful. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How is a chainsaw made? We can break it down into three main steps: preparation, production, and finishing. Step 1. Preparation. It all starts with picking the right materials. The chain and the bar, the long flat piece that guides the chain, are made from high-quality steel, tough enough to chew through wood without breaking a sweat. The body of the chainsaw, though, often uses durable plastics or lightweight metals to keep it easy to handle. The chain itself is the star of the show. It's built from tiny links, each with razor-sharp teeth, kind of like a metal zipper designed to cut. Step 2. Production. Next comes the production stage. Those chain links are assembled with precision using specialized machines. Each link has to line up perfectly and snap together securely, so the chain can spin smoothly without flying apart. Meanwhile, the bar is crafted from a single slab of steel, heated and hardened to make it super strong, like forging a knight's sword. The engine, whether it's gas-powered or electric, is also built during this phase to give the chainsaw its roar. Step 3. Finishing. Finally, it's time to put it all together. The chain gets looped around the bar, and the bar is bolted onto the body. The engine is hooked up, connecting its power to the chain through a clutch and gears. Once everything's in place, the chainsaw is tested, revved up to make sure it cuts cleanly and safely. But where did this idea come from? Here's a wild bit of history. The chainsaw was first invented in the late 18th century by two Scottish doctors, John Aitken and James Jeffrey. Back then, it wasn't for trees. It was a hand-cranked tool for surgery, used to cut through bone. It took until the 1920s for inventors to adapt it into the motorized logging beast we know today. From operating rooms to forests. What a journey. So, where do we see chainsaws in action? In the forestry world, they're the go-to tool for chopping down trees and slicing them into logs. Arborists rely on them to prune branches and keep trees healthy. At home, you might use one to stock up on firewood or clear a fallen tree after a storm. And here's a cool twist. Artists use chainsaws to carve stunning sculptures out of wood, turning logs into masterpieces. Why do chainsaws matter? It's all about efficiency and toughness. They tackle jobs in minutes that would take hours with a handsaw, and they're built to keep going, even in rugged conditions. Think of the chainsaw as a trusted companion for anyone who works with wood, a silent hero with a loud voice. Next time you hear that familiar buzz in your neighborhood or out in the woods, take a second to appreciate the ingenuity behind it. Before we wrap up, here are two fun facts to blow your mind. Did you know the world's largest chainsaw is over 23 feet long and weighs more than 1,300 pounds? A Canadian artist built it, and yes, it actually works. And get this, chainsaws have been to space. Astronauts have used specially designed versions to cut materials during spacewalks. Who knew? In conclusion, The chainsaw is a perfect blend of science, engineering, and creativity. From its surprising start in surgery to its starring role in forests, yards, and art studios, it's a tool that's shaped our world in big ways. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into how chainsaws are made and the stories they tell. Got a chainsaw tale of your own or an object you'd love us to explore next? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this, please give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and follow along for more stories about the simple things that make life amazing. Here's the takeaway. Even small inventions like the chainsaw are quietly cutting their way into history.